What is your name? What is your name? My name is Jasmine. My name is Jasmine. How old are you? How old are you? I am 17-year-old. I am 17-year-old. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from London. I am from London. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is green. My favorite color is green. Do you like music? Do you like music? Yes, I like music. Yes, I like music. What do you like to do for fun? What do you like to do for fun? I like to read book and watch movies for fun. I like to read book and watch movies for fun. Do you have any sibling? Do you have any sibling? Yes, I have two siblings. Yes, I have two siblings. What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a cat. My favorite animal is a cat. Can you swim? Can you swim? No, I can't swim. No, I can't swim. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? It's sunny and warm today. It's sunny and warm today. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I usually wake up at 7. I usually wake up at 7. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I really like burger. I really like burger. What is your favorite season? What is your favorite season? My favorite season is summer. My favorite season is summer. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Tarzan. My favorite movie is Tarzan. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. What's your favorite subject in school? What's your favorite subject in school? My favorite subject in school is English. My favorite subject in school is English. Can you dance? Can you dance? Yes, I can dance a little. Yes, I can dance a little. What's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite fruit? I really like strawberry. I really like strawberry. What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? Yesterday I played with my friends. Yesterday I played with my friends. What's your hobby? What's your hobby? My favorite hobby is reading books. My favorite hobby is reading books. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is English. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is English. How many people are in your family? How many people are in your family? There are 4 people in my family. There are 4 people in my family. Can you ride a bike? Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can ride a bike. Yes, I can ride a bike. What's your favorite game? What's your favorite game? I love playing hide and seek. I love playing hide and seek. Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? Yes, I love ice cream. Yes, I love ice cream. What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? My favorite sport is cricket. My favorite sport is cricket. What's your favorite place to go? What's your favorite place to go? My favorite place to go is the zoo. My favorite place to go is the zoo. Can you draw? Can you draw? Yes, I can draw a little bit. Yes, I can draw a little bit. What do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor.